Fish menu naman po tayo. Let's cook steamed fish Chinese style. Lagyan lang po natin ng onion leeks at spring onion ng ating steamer. Pag kumukulo na po, lagay na po natin ang ating fish. Ilagyan po natin ng sliced ginger ang ibabaw at ilalim ng fish. By the way, it's cream dory fish. Cover it and cook for 10 minutes. For the sauce, 2½ tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoon of water. Put the onion leek stock and 2 pieces of ginger. Half teaspoon of sugar. Hindi po natin to lulutuin na matagal. Let it simmer hanggang matunaw ang sugar. Luto na po ang ating fish. Pag luto na po, lagay na po natin sa plate. Then, lagyan po natin ng sliced spring onion. Then, put our sauce. Let's make ginger oil. On hot oil, i-fry lang po natin ginger until it's golden brown. Lagay na po natin ang ating ginger oil sa ating steamed fish. Ayan po, meron na po tayong steamed fish Chinese style. Enjoy cooking!